Getting the solder ready for this. And actually, before I continue to use medium on the bezel, one thing that I didn't mention earlier is on all bezel, you don't want to use medium, you want to use hard solder. Hard solder melts at a higher temperature, then you have medium, and then you have easy, all at different temperatures. And it's because you're going through so many different series of heating on your piece that some pieces have to stay together, like the bezel, because that's the first thing you're doing. And if you heat the whole piece, if you heat the bottom piece, you don't want that to flow. So once I use hard on this, when I put it onto a sheet, I'll use medium. So the medium will connect the bezel to the sheet. So if I heat it up again, the medium will flow, but the hard won't.
That's huge.
Yeah, that is. You don't want, and then, I've used by accident, I've gotten them mixed up before, and I've used easy on the bezel, and you have to start over because every time you heat it, the bezel comes apart. Okay. A lot is just finger work. And I'm just, I don't know whether you can see that, but that little piece of solder is right under the joint there.
Yeah.
Just set it under the joint, okay? And then this is liquid flux, cleans the metal, helps the solder flow. Okay, I don't want direct light because I do want to see my piece get hot. A little bit of light's not bad. Okay. And because I'm using an acetylene torch, I have to heat the whole piece up. So the whole bezel has to be at a certain temperature before the solder flows. If I was using an oxyacetylene torch, I'd be able to go right down to the point because it's just a lot hotter flame. This is not as hot of a flame. I'll use the oxyacetylene down the road. Okay. I'm going to have to move this piece over because I see that it's kind of shifted. It's not right on the mark. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. It's still a little on the right hand side, so I'm going to heat this side because the solder will follow the heat. So again, I'll heat the whole piece, and right before it's ready to flow, I'll heat the left side a little more. Concentrate on that. There it goes. Okay.
Look how tight I am.
Yep. Perfect.